Testing of Hyundai HGN08 air circuit breaker. The basic settings were set according to the request of the customer. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. And lastly, we perform a short-time delay test and we see that the breaker trips almost instantly. Long-time delay test could not be performed as it was according to the settings of the customer. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.